getting ready to pull up the Home Law's office for the signing this morning. We're gonna be on a secret mission to equip everybody with the silly string, which Sasha and Alicia will get hit with as soon as they're completed signing. And then we're gonna do a brief walkthrough on their new building, which is right across the street. We're gonna be introducing you to who everyone is, what they do within the organization. What do you call it when a legal promise goes up in smoke? Kenneth Morillo, broker owner of Aurora Real Estate and proud representative of Home Law on their real estate transactions.
I'm Joe Kaminsky, CMO and digital marketer of Aroa Real Estate and also a representative of Home Law on their transactions.
Hi, I'm Janasia Boodle. I'm the marketing coordinator here at Home Law and I'm so excited about our new building, #Home When It Matters.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Bohigas. I am an associate attorney here at Home Law and I practice family and immigration law. I am super excited about Home growing and getting this new building, and if I had to say a hashtag for the new building, I would say Home 2.0.